Now that we completed the intermediate stage, we'll go to the advanced stage, advanced Kubernetes commands. Let's see what's inside. So the first one is kube-c-tl rollout undo. This is basically a rollback into the previous version. Imagine you just updated the software on your phone and the new version is full of bugs. Your phone battery drains fast, the app crashes. What's the first thing you wish for? You wish for an undo button, right? The way to instantly go back to the previous version, the working version, in the Kubernetes, that's exactly what kubectl rollout undo will do. It's a giant friendly oh crap button for your deployments. We'll try to demonstrate the same. We'll create a new deployment and then we purposely create one bad version and then we'll try to roll out. Let's get into the terminal. To start with, I'm just going with a new deployment here. kube-c-tl create deployment. Name should be my app. And image I'm fetching is from Nginx. Version I'll go with the 1.25 and I'm duplicating this to 3. So while it's coming up, we can track the status by our previous command kube-c-tl rollout status. Deployment / my app. So you can see the status here. So we got 3 replicas, so 0, 1, 2, 3. All are rolled out successfully. If we run kube-c-tl get pods, we should see all the 3 are running. Now assume that this is a working model and we want to introduce some new release, forcefully a bug version. So for that what we are doing, we are running on kube-c-tl command set image deployment. So we are actually trying to modify the deployment here. The Nginx equal to, instead of a regular version, I'm just giving some imaginary version, something like this version does not exist. So now the deployment got updated. Now the pod is trying to come out, so we'll see what's happening. Get pods. WV is again a waiting mode. You can also use this. So you can feel this now, the error message in the pulling the image pull back off, error image pull. So this happens when you have this wrong image or something like that. So this is the situation we have, and we cannot leave like this during the production or something. Immediately we have to perform the rollback operations and we'll see how that can be done. For that we have our command handy, kube-c-tl rollout undo deployment my app. So this will basically roll out the previous version, and if you want to see what are the available versions, we can see rollout history command. So this will give the history. We have 2 revisions here. Now we'll perform the rollout. Undo operations. /my app. So now it has been rolled back. We'll check the status now. So status is normal now, it's running mode. And if we run the history again, you can see the first one is what we created, second one is what we introduced the bug, and third one is what we rolled out. I hope this helps. We'll see you in the next.